Every successful home installation begins with careful planning. Today, our professional technician inspects the property, takes accurate measurement.
Kinds. Once the space has been prepared, the furniture assembly begins. Each component is carefully fitted, aligned, and
Once the space has been prepared, the furniture assembly begins. Each component is carefully fitted, aligned, and securely fastened. Next comes the plumbing system. Professional technicians install water supply and drainage components, carefully secure every connection, and test the system for leaks.
Now we move into the kitchen. Cabinets, countertops, sinks, and appliances are carefully positioned and installed. The bathroom installation focuses on comfort, functionality, and safety. Fixtures and accessories are carefully installed.
Technology brings the home to life. The television and entertainment equipment are carefully positioned, connected, and tested to provide a clean and enjoyable viewing experience.
Modern homes can be smarter and more efficient. Smart devices, sensors, lighting systems, and security equipment are
Each appliance is carefully positioned and connected according to its installation requirements. The technician then tests the equipment to confirm proper operation.
The final stage is quality inspection. Every installation is checked, systems are tested,
A comfortable home should also be a secure home. In this stage, our technicians inspect and install essentials. With the major systems completed, we now focus on the finishing touches. Furniture is carefully positioned, curtains and stations. Today, we bring the home's technology together. Smart lighting, entertainment systems, security cameras, sensors, and connected appliances. We begin the final quality inspection. Every part of the home is carefully reviewed, from electrical fixtures and plumbing.
we reveal the completed home. Every installation, detail, and finishing touch comes together to create a space that is functional.
From the carefully installed furniture and appliances to the connected smart home systems, each element has been reviewed and prepared.
This panel connects all your smart appliances and the security system. You can manage everything right from here.
That makes it much easier than I expected.
After careful planning, assembly, installation, testing, inspection, and maintenance preparation, the home is now officially complete.